Good morning and welcome back to another vlog. It's Tuesday morning. Mayang is working out. It's super early and I'm gonna go water the plants because I'm gonna show you we planted some tomato plants outside and some veggies like green onion, and we water them morning and evening because it's super sunny the entire day. But yeah, and I was just seeing in the mirror my hair has grown so long, my god. But anyways, let's start this beautiful day. So these are all the plant. This is the mint that died and I'm trying to regrow it again, and these are again the tomatoes, the green onion, this is the habanero pepper that I put the seed, lettuce over here, mint, strawberry, and then some more tomatoes here. And then in that bed we have all the tomatoes. दिन तक पूरा ना सूखे ना।
Good morning and we are back. I'm done with my workout. I'm quickly having a shake. Honey is feeding Marvel. We're gonna walk him and I'm gonna start working.
Guys, lunch is ready and I'm having some salad. This is the Olive Garden house salad that I made, and some tilapia fish on the side.
And I'm having Indian.
And he's having Indian food. This is rice and black masoor dal. This is mixed vegetable, that is pepper, paneer, and cabbage and yogurt. It's a beautiful weather outside. I just came out because I need to water my front and the backyard. Mayank is gonna do it. I'm gonna do the front right now. So we got a new pipe from the front because we didn't have any. So I'm gonna water, and I quickly want to show you our new plants that we recently got. So these are all the tomato plants that we planted here in the bed. These were very small when we got them, and now they have grown so big. And these are the ones that are gonna give us big tomatoes, and these are the ones that are gonna give us small tomatoes. These are all tomato plant, by the way. And also, let me show you. So a bunny gave birth in this area over here, and there were like 4 bunny babies living here for the past 4 or 5 days, and this morning when I saw, it was just like this. So I don't know where the bunny babies are now. Either they went somewhere, the mommy took them, or I really have no idea what happened here. To get some groceries, and yeah, so that is how our day has been going today. Recently, every day, other than the days that it's raining, we water our front and backyard because, like I told you before, that we put some seeds and all that stuff for the grass to grow. So yeah, let's go get some groceries.
Have you shown them our plants?
Yes, I did. The tomato plants. I even showed them the bunny, where the bunny gave babies and then it just went away.
And
this
our
morning.
tomato plants are getting little buddings.
Yeah, and the
so-
strawberry plants also.
Yeah.
The strawberries.
They
We
have
saw
the
like
flowers
this
and
small
then-
strawberries today.
So
Very excited for that. And we just got some groceries, normal stuff. And let me show you something new that I got. So basically, I love this brand Terra. Marvel, no baby, I have chips in there. Marvel, leave it. Yeah, so as I was saying, I love this brand Terra for chips, and they came up with a new flavor now, sea salt and vinegar. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try this, because usually we always get the kettle cook sea salt and vinegar, but I'm so excited that they came up with a new flavor. Got some celery, apples, carrots, because I started drinking juice again. As you guys know, when we were back in Florida, I used to juice regularly.
juice regularly?
I used to make juice regularly. That is how we say it, I guess.
But you said I used to juice it regularly.
I used to make juice regularly. And then we moved here and winters happened. So kind of stopped during that time. But now that summers are back.
Yeah, I think we were in a phase where a lot of things were happening because we just moved and it was Christmas, December, then something kept happening basically. So I guess we are pretty normal now, back to routine.
So we got some new, not new, some delicious apples. And what else did we get?
We got new marbles. We got spinach,
green beans, broccoli, veggies, and other stuff.
broccoli, avocado, and baby potatoes. So that's what our grocery looks like.
And the shampoo and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what our grocery is. And for dinner, Mayank's dinner is already made. Chicken, rice, dal. I'm gonna make khichdi for myself because I've been having diarrhea whole day. So I just want to eat something plain and delicious. So yep. And with this, we are gonna end today's vlog, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, ta-da!